Hello, welcome. This is Caitlin. We specialize in the common rail diesel parts. Yes, today I want to share with you this is our fuel injector. This one. If you're interested about this one, please follow me, okay? And for this one, you can see we packed with the neutral white boxes, and the label. Product quantities, one side each 2 pieces. Product code 0451200145. Other information. If you want to print your own logo, the label, packaging bag, and so on, contact us to customize the services. The inside. Two layers. The first layer. Second layer VCI anti-rust bags. You have this one. China made brand new. And nozzle control valve, solenoid valve, high quality, brand new. Generally, we use the Leeway, Shumatt, green power, and so on. It can be make sure the fuel injector service life. But if you want higher qualities, contact us. We can use the original Bosch brand. It can be extended the fuel injector service life. Look at it here, nozzle, the cap, the control valve. And this part is solenoid valve. And each of our product, before we sell it, before we receive it, we will make the 3 times common rail test, so that when we receive it, you can got the good fuel injector. It can be used. Yes, and actually. For our product, we also have the 6 months warranties during this time. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, contact us. We can return it to exchange your product for you. Okay, that's all. Yes. Each week we have videos and live show on Facebook, YouTube account. If you're interested, feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.